Hi everyone. Welcome to the world of next-level performance and unmistakable attitude. Born from the racetrack and bred for the streets, this limited production bagger is inspired by Harley-Davidson Screamin Eagle factory team road glide machines, straight out of the MotoAmerica King of the Baggers Championship. At its heart beats the Milwaukee-Eight 121 high-output V-twin, paired with a high-performance SE8 511 camshaft. The result? Ferocious acceleration and power delivery in the mid and upper RPM range, perfect for riders who demand track-level performance with street-ready precision. For 2025, Harley-Davidson brings new paint and finish options including Rally Red, Mercury Silver, and the striking tricolor hot lap scheme, enhancing the model's already menacing stance. This year also marks the 26th anniversary of Harley-Davidson's custom vehicle operations. For 2025, 3 CVO models, including this Road Glide ST, push the limits of design, innovation, and performance, offering riders an unmatched experience at every twist of the throttle. Crafted with lightweight carbon fiber components, premium finishes, and aggressive styling, the CVO Road Glide ST isn't just fast, it's a statement of power, prestige, and custom craftsmanship. And that level of craftsmanship comes with a premium price. In the United States, MSRP ranges from $44,999 to $49,999 depending on options and finishes. In Canada, MSRP is set at $54,999 Canadian dollars. Across Europe and the United Kingdom, the on-the-road price starts at £41,495, including VAT. And in Australia, MSRP ranges from $64,750 to $74,745 Australian dollars. Let's take a closer look at the features and benefits that make the 2025 CVO Road Glide ST a true beast on two wheels, a race-inspired machine built for the street, but engineered for the track. Design and details. This bike doesn't just perform, it looks the part. The premium paintwork features a dynamic Screamin Eagle graphic that flows seamlessly from the fairing into the fuel tank, while performance red accents ignite the engine and powertrain with striking detail. A lightweight, aggressive solo seat provides comfort and lower back support for hard launches and spirited cornering, giving riders both performance and control. Up front, the forged carbon fiber fender replaces traditional steel, saving weight and adding a distinctive, race-inspired aesthetic. Cast aluminum wheels not only look sharp but reduce unsprung weight, enhancing handling and agility, while dual floating brake rotors keep things cool under pressure. Performance ergonomics. The tall risers and moto-style handlebars put you in an aggressive, confident riding position, while the flat-out bar, a minimal engine guard, protects your machine without compromising style. And with mini floorboards, you get stable footing without sacrificing lean angle, ideal for carving corners with ease. Power and performance. Underneath it all is the most powerful engine Harley-Davidson has ever put into a production bike, the Milwaukee-Eight 121 high output. With 127 horsepower and 145 foot-pounds of torque, this engine features a high-performance camshaft, heavy breather intake, and a raised rev limit of 5,900 revolutions per minute. It's raw muscle wrapped in precision engineering. The show of 47mm inverted front forks offer 4.6 inches of fully adjustable travel, fine-tuned for compression, rebound, and preload, while the Showa remote reservoir rear shocks keep your ride smooth and consistent, even under demanding conditions. Titanium mufflers cut weight and crank up performance, delivering a rich, aggressive exhaust note that sounds as powerful as it feels. Innovation and technology. The CVO Road Glide ST isn't just built for speed, it's packed with smart features to give you control, safety, and entertainment at your fingertips. The new 12.3-inch DFD display with Skyline OS integrates everything you need. From navigation with live traffic and weather overlays to full control of your Rockford-Fosgate Stage 2 audio system. With 8 ride modes, including the all-new Track and Track Plus modes, you can dial in the perfect setup for every ride, from a relaxed cruise to full-on race mode. Enhanced safety features like cornering ABS and traction control ensure confident handling in all conditions. When you're riding a machine as powerful as the 2025 CVO Road Glide, control is everything. That's why Harley-Davidson has equipped this bike with a full suite of rider safety enhancements, designed to boost your confidence, protect your performance, and help you stay in control, no matter the road ahead. Anti-lock braking system. ABS at the heart of it all is ABS, designed to prevent the wheels from locking up under hard braking. It helps maintain steering control during straight-line stops, especially in urgent situations. Electronic linked braking, ELB automatically distributes braking force between the front and rear wheels when you apply the brakes. Whether you're using the front lever or the rear pedal, it optimizes stopping power based on your speed and input, for smoother, more balanced deceleration. Traction Control System, TCS helps keep the rear wheel in check during acceleration, reducing the chance of it spinning out and giving you more grip and confidence when opening the throttle. Drag Torque Slip Control System, DSCS. When you suddenly downshift or chop the throttle, especially on slick roads, DSCS helps manage engine braking to prevent the rear wheel from locking up. It's a subtle system that delivers serious peace of mind. Vehicle Hold Control, VHC. Starting on a hill? No problem. VHC keeps your brakes engaged after you come to a stop, giving you time to get settled before you take off. Just squeeze the brake lever or tap the pedal, and VHC holds your position until you're ready to roll. Tire Pressure Monitoring System, DPMS keeps an eye on your tires so you don't have to. If the air pressure gets too low or too high, the system alerts you through the display, helping to protect both performance and tire longevity. And when the road starts to curve, Harley-Davidson's cornering enhancements kick in to keep you stable and secure. Cornering Enhanced ABS, CABS adjusts brake pressure based on the bike's lean angle, giving you better control when braking through a turn, where traditional ABS might not be enough. Cornering Enhanced Linked Braking, CELB uses lean angle data to intelligently balance braking between the front and rear wheels while cornering, helping you maintain your intended path and trajectory. Cornering Traction Control System, CTCS takes the traction control system one step further by managing rear wheel slip during both straight line acceleration and lean angle cornering, maximizing grip when you need it most. Cornering Drag Torque Slip Control, CDSCS. And finally, CDSCS provides deceleration support even while leaning into a turn, helping to reduce rear wheel slip during downshifts or sudden throttle cuts, especially on wet or slippery pavement. Comfort and control meet performance in the design of the 2025 CVO Road Glide ST. At the heart of the riding position is a moto bar and tall riser setup, unique to the ST. The handlebar sits 6 inches above the top clamp, placing your arms in a natural, relaxed bend, perfectly dialed in for comfort in 90% of riding scenarios, from cruising highways to carving curves. The seat design delivers signature bagger comfort, offering strong lower back support and a balanced, neutral riding posture. Legroom is generous, and the overall ergonomics allow you to ride longer, harder, and with less fatigue. Wind protection is another area where Harley-Davidson took things to the next level. The redesigned upper fairing reduces helmet buffeting by up to 60%, providing a smoother, quieter ride. And with adjustable air vanes above the display, you can fine-tune airflow to match the moment. Even when put to the test on a track, air flowed cleanly over the helmet, and the fairing's sleek shape ensured a clear, unobstructed view of the road ahead. On the braking side, you've got full confidence thanks to Brembo monoblock 4-piston calipers gripping 320mm wave-style discs up front, and another Brembo 4-piston caliper with a 300mm disc at the rear. A hidden span adjuster on the lever adds a refined touch, allowing riders to customize feel based on hand size or personal preference. Whether you're pushing limits or settling in for a long ride, the CVO Road Glide ST proves that true performance doesn't have to come at the cost of comfort. One of the most striking views from the saddle of the 2025 CVO Road Glide ST is the all-new Skyline OS infotainment system. Taking center stage is a stunning 12.3-inch full-color TFT display, replacing all analog gauges and the previous 6.5-inch screen. This bright, Anti-glare display offers exceptional clarity in all conditions, and features multiple viewing modes, including a super bright high contrast setting for peak visibility. Riders can choose between 3 unique screen layouts: Cruise, Sport, or Tour. Tour mode is especially noteworthy. It puts navigation front and center, while tucking speed, fuel, and gear indicators neatly to the side. And unlike the standard Road Glide, navigation comes included on the CVO Street, no extra charge required. Control is seamless and intuitive. Use the left handlebar mounted joystick, or simply touch the screen. It's glove-friendly and responsive even on the go. While the system takes a few seconds to boot up, the menu layout is well organized, and once you're familiar, everything becomes second nature. For riders who want to stay connected, the system offers Bluetooth connectivity and a USB-C port inside the console cubby, perfect for charging or plugging in your smartphone. Want to use Apple CarPlay? It's supported, but Apple requires a helmet communicator for voice control to activate the full feature set. When it comes to sound, the CVO Road Glide ST delivers big. You can stream music to your helmet's communicator, or unleash the 500-watt Rockford Fosgate Stage 2 audio system, with a pair of powerful 6.5-inch speakers mounted in the fairing. At city speeds, the sound is rich and immersive. On the highway, it fades into the background, but it's always ready to roar at a stoplight. With the CVO ST, you're not just getting next-level power and performance, you're also stepping into a fully integrated tech ecosystem, designed to elevate your ride with premium comfort, convenience, and cutting-edge style. Thanks for watching.